How to open Internet Explorer without Edge. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to search bar and search Control Panel. Then click on Network and Internet. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Internet option. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Tabs, which is in Change how web pages are displayed. Then click on Manage Add-ons. After doing that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Learn More about Toolbars and Extension, which is in bottom left. After clicking on that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply go to search bar and search whatever you want without Edge. As you can see, Internet Explorer is opened without Edge. That's how you open Internet Explorer without Edge. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.